For God's sake, keep a grip on yourself, Janet.
But it seems so unhealthy here.
It's just a party, Janet.
Well, I want to go.
Well, we can't go anywhere till I get to a phone.
Well, then I have to bother someone.
Just a moment, Janet. We don't want to interfere with their celebrations.
This isn't the Junior Chamber of Commerce, Brad.
They're probably foreigners with ways different than our own. They may do some more folk dancing.
Look, I'm cold, I'm wet, and I'm just plain scared.
I'm here. Nothing to worry about.
How'd you do, Ryan? See, you've met my faithful handyman. He's just a little broad-eyed. When you knocked, he thought you were the candy man. Don't get strung out by the way I look. Don't judge a book by its cover. I'm not much of a man by the light of day, but by night I'm one hell of a lover. I'm just a sweet transvestite from transsexual, Let me show you a rhyme. You maybe play the sign. You look like you're both pretty groovy. Or if you want something visual, it's not too abysmal. We could take it an old Steve Reeves movie.
I'm glad we caught you at home. Could we use your phone? We're both in a bit of a hurry.
Run.
We'll just say where we are, then go back to the car.
Pleasure to meet you, Dr. Fletcher.
We don't want to be any worried.
Well, you got caught with a flat world. How about that? Well, please, don't you panic. By the light of the night, it'll all seem all right. I'll get you a satanic mechanic. I'm just a sweet transvestite. I'm transsexual, Transylvania. Why don't you stay for the night? I could show you a favorite obsession. I've been making a man. Blonde hair and a tan. He's good for any kind of tension. I'm just a sweet transvestite. Transsexual Transylvania. I'm just a transvestite. Transsexual Transylvania. So, come up to the lab and see what's on the slab. I see you shiver with anticipation. But maybe the rain isn't really to blame. So I'll remove the cause. But not the symptom.
There he goes. He went bye-bye, Angus. Frankenfurter's gone. Bye-bye. Oh, he went bye-bye. Sorry, it's over.